In today's video, I will be showing you how to delete your empty rows and columns in your Google Sheets mobile app. So I have an example data right here, and if I zoom out, you'll see that I have some empty rows and empty columns to the right and empty rows below. So if I wanted to get rid of these empty rows and columns, all I have to do would be to select them. I'm just going to zoom in. To select your rows, you're going to start by tapping on the left side where the number rows are. There you go. So I'm going to start with row 57, which is the end of my data and the start of the empty rows. You have these two dots that are facing each other. And what you're going to do is to tap and hold on to the bottom dot right here, like so. And you're going to keep dragging it down to select the rest of our rows right here. So go ahead, tap and drag down. There you have it. Once you've selected all of the empty rows right after your data, you're just going to tap on it within those selected rows and select delete. Now we have deleted those empty rows below our data. Next one would be our columns, and we're going to be doing the same thing. So to select your columns, you're going to start by tapping at the top where you see your letters. We are now at column E, which is the end of my data and the beginning of our empty columns right here. So again, to select those rows, we are going to tap and drag to the right these two dots right here. So of course the dot to the right, there we go. Keep dragging until you reach the end of your columns. There you have it. And once you've selected all those empty columns, just tap on it, and the same thing, tap on delete. And now we have cleared all of our empty rows and columns from our data. Now to make this much cleaner, we can also hide our grid lines. So we can do that by just tapping on our tab right here at the bottom. This one says movie. So if I tap on the drop down menu or the arrow pointing down, there you go. Here are our options. We can just turn off grid lines right here. And there you have it. Now we have a much cleaner look on our data with our spreadsheet by deleting those empty rows and columns and an additional hiding our grid lines right here. And there you have it. That's how you can delete your empty rows and columns here in the Google Sheets mobile app using your Android or iPhone. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.